for an innocent person who's accused, the humiliation for them that people, first of all, find out that they're being accused of something. Maybe that people find out that they even had sex with somebody because maybe they didn't really want people to know that they had. But then they also have to talk about their personal private life, and they don't have a choice. They must respond because they're charged. And as hard as it may be to go forward, complainants still have a choice. An accused person does not have a choice. And nobody thinks about how humiliating it is for them to have to get up, and especially because normally their parents will come and be supportive to them. And their parents are going to listen to all these details they have to give out about their sex life. Look, nobody cares about that.
No, and again, this is not us denigrating in any way real and true, genuine allegations of abuse. We are not. For those people who have been truly victimized, they are deserving of the utmost attention by the authorities to investigate and for the prosecutors to mount a prosecution. It just has to meet due process, fairness, and principles that we have and that we hold very dear in a democratic society. That's all we're saying.
And it is difficult to testify if you're a real victim.
It is.
It's not difficult to testify if you're lying about it.
Again, for a complainant to testify about what went on is invasive. It's not pleasant. That said, that's the system we have. There's no other way to do it. We can't ameliorate that type of indignity. It's the process we have. It's the best we have. And frankly, this is a pretty damn good system. And so you can't look to the criminal justice system to be this genteel tea party. It's not. It's not, a confirmatory, stroking system where,
it's an adversarial system. It's specifically
adversarial.
Designed to be adversarial for a very good reason.
So you can't go into it with the blinders that this is going to be, some sort of a cathartic experience. It's going to be a battle. That said, at the end of the day, for whichever side, there may be justice. But there has to be fair principles. And when the Supreme Court of Canada starts off in paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 about the statistics about, the bleak picture of people who come forward, and then most victims of sexual offenses don't report, and for those that do, only a fraction resulted in complete prosecutions. More needs to be done.
More convictions need to happen is what they're
saying.
I'm
sorry, this is not what I expect of our court system. This is not what I expect or we should expect from Supreme Court of Canada, with all due respect. And I have said this a number of times. We have a very bright Supreme Court of Canada. I don't believe any of them want to go out and create wrongful convictions. But by their own doing, they have opened the door now very strongly to wrongful convictions. This is not about fixing a statistic. It's about fairness.